With increasing globalization, the traceability of manufacturing processes is also becoming increasingly important. In the past, traceability was achieved through time-consuming documentation of production documents and papers. First attempts at digitization placed the focus on securing results, which means that production papers were digitized with great effort and expense. Force Track and Trace is a software solution which ensures the traceability of production processes. It helps you reduce production liability risks and significantly increase transparency in the production. At any given time, you will know when, where, how, with what and by whom your product was produced. To facilitate the implementation of Track and Trace, we have defined best practice templates. This represents a sample of the existing requirements of our Track and Trace customers. The main objective of the best practice templates is to provide a basis on which a customer-specific configuration can be set up. They do not represent the entire functional range, but serve as a starting point. The templates are based on predefined processes. We will use the best practice to take a closer look at Track and Trace. The best practices have been designed for three main types of Track and Trace. Batch, the trace object is an identifiable container. Serial, the trace object is a uniquely identifiable individual part. And assembly, the trace object is an identifiable main component for which all assembly steps are performed.